Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm so excited to open my mystery box from the Witches Box. They do a mystery box every 6 months, so April and October. You can get on the wait list. I'll leave the link below. You gotta act fast because literally I set a timer. I have my thing on the wait list, and the second that email pops up, I go and I buy it because they sell out like, I don't know, definitely less than an hour. Sometimes like, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes. So definitely so excited because I really like this box, but I haven't been getting it for a variety of reasons. And so this is a nice way for me to get some of the goodies that have been in the box. Oh my Lord, my son is squawking. In the boxes that I've missed, since I haven't gotten this box in, I think since like January. Which I really like this box. Oh, I hate when I rip the tissue paper. But I've got to get some of these dilly bobs out of the way. There's so many. Alright. So, as you can see, we've got a nice little paper clip. A beautiful sticker. You could put this on like a novena candle, like a pillar candle, 7-day candle. Spirit board, Book of Shadows page. Blossoming Flower Tea, Transformation Spell, Lavender Book of Shadow page, Lavender, Binding Spell, Black Obsidian, nice, Orange Peel, Rosemary, Eye of Justice Spell, that's pretty cool. And then page 2 of that, so that's really cool. These are all pretty, they're kind of thick. Some of them are glossy, or some of them, yeah, some of them are glossy, like this one, and some of them are matte, which I prefer matte. Very nice, full of information. I'm going to keep these together because I store my Book of Shadow pages and my writing parts like completely separate from my other items. So let's see. Rose petals. I actually have a ton of rose petals, but that's cool. She always gives really big amounts. Calendula. It's funny. I have a ton of calendula too. I think I got calendula in the last box that I got from here. Hibiscus. Have a lot of those. So that's nice because I'm also making Christmas gifts for people, and so that will help me. Ooh, look at this beautiful little amethyst. That will help me. I can use that for ingredients. Actually, hibiscus, rose, and calendula are beautiful. Very pretty. Aww, this is so cute. It's a widow egg. 2 pieces of like a little egg. A wooden egg. I have not cut in 2 pieces, but I do have wooden eggs. Because it helps my chickens lay where they're supposed to lay instead of hiding their, oh, little bell, instead of hiding their eggs everywhere. This is very cute, little bell. Like it a lot. Yes, cedar incense. I love cedar. It smells delicious. We've got this little bag here, a little red satin bag. Oh, it looks like we have some, this looks like black tourmaline. And these, I mean, they look like citrine, but also, it could be heat treated amethyst, I'm not sure. But pretty, pretty. I smell good smells. I love that. I think this must be like peppermint or something. Yep, peppermint in a pretty jar. And it smells so fragrant and so yum. Ooh, a boot knife. Fancy. I think here's a little. I've gotten a knife, and I've gotten a scissors knife And in another one of these, I want to say the first one of these that I got a scissor knife. And then the last one of these that I got, I don't think I got a knife. Wow. Very cool. Very cute. It's very cool. All right. Oh, this is nice. I think I got this in the last one that I got too, but that works out really good for me because now I have a set and I can have, because I think this is a Himalayan salt, a candle holder, and I can have one on each side now, so now I'll have a pair, which is really nice. Yay! Pretty pretty. Now I have two. I love that. Oh, look at this. A little pocket goddess. Very beautiful. A mirror. Nice. Oh yeah. I got a big old candle. I'm getting a ton of these lately, and I just love them because this is what I use on my Ofrenda health. Love that. Oh, we've got some pretty candles here. Two purples. Nice. Morbid Magic. I don't know if I've gotten this book. I feel like I do because I wanted to get, I feel like I do have this book. If I do have this book, I'll be doing a giveaway. I owe you guys a couple giveaways, or not owe, but I've been meaning to do a couple giveaways. At least. If I do have this one, which I'm pretty sure I do have, because I do follow this channel, and so like if they recommend books and I don't get them, I do buy them because I'm really interested in that. So I'm really excited because I have been trying to support more witches of color, and I know that Tomas is Latinx, and oh, it's a love bath kit. So we've got a little chime candle holder, 2 pink chime candles, some yummy salts, and this instruction and information. So that's pretty cool. I've got a lot of stuff here. Let's kind of recap. Oh my gosh. Because I like to keep the, oh my gosh. Got a lot of goodies here. This is an expensive box. Let me just say it's $100. And it kind of has like just random items that are extra in their inventory. So it's kind of nice because they clean out their inventory and you get just like kind of a mystery box or smorgasbord, a variety pack of like just random things from their boxes for the last however many months. And so just to reiterate, we've got the book Morbid Magic. We've got cedar incense, yum yum yum. We've got a beautiful candle, peppermint, amethyst. I'm gonna have to look at their thing and find out like what's the context of this egg. Probably fertility of some sort, I'm sure. Bell, pocket goddess, mirror, stones, love bath kit, and some candles. A beautiful, heavy, nice candle holder, boot knife, which is pretty cool, and 3 very large packages of herbs. I got hibiscus, calendula, rose petals. as well as like a ton of Book of Shadows pages. So a sticker, spur board information, blossoming flower tea spell, lavender Book of Shadow pages, lavender page, binding spell, black obsidian, orange peel, rosemary, and the Eye of Justice spell, page 1 and 2. So very cool. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna link the link below. You can't get this right now, but in April they'll probably be doing another run, and but you can get on the wait list, and that does help you out. So I would check that out. Also, of course, they have their subscription box, they have their book box, they have their digital subscription, they have stuff that you can buy online, and they have a wonderful YouTube page. So I would check all of that out. It's really good content. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I'm so happy I got a chance to catch up with you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.